channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful holiday. What better way to start the holiday than to make Christmas gooey butter cookies? I don't think there is a better way, so let's get started. So for our ingredients, we're going to need some yellow cake box mix. This is vegan. Some powdered sugar, egg replacer, some dairy-free cream cheese, dairy-free butter stick, vanilla extract, baking powder, and some Christmas colored sprinkles. Oh, and you're gonna need an electric mixer. So first, preheat your oven to 350. So I softened the butter in the microwave. So now I'm gonna add the cream cheese. Make sure that you soften the cream cheese and the butter. I'm adding a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now we're going to cream this together. Now I'm going to make one egg with the egg replacer. This one is 1 tablespoon of egg replacer and 2 tablespoons of water. So I'm adding a pinch of baking powder. I don't even know if I need that, I'm just adding it anyway. And now we can add the cake mix. Now I'm adding in the sprinkles. Yes, that's about a half cup of sprinkles. Now I'm just gonna fold it in. It's Christmas time. Oh, it's Christmas. Almost forgot. Don't forget to add the egg replacer. Now it's kind of sticky, so I'm gonna put it in the freezer to chill for about 20 minutes. It's the best part. Look at this one. I'm gonna pour some powdered sugar into the bowl. So I'm going to take some dough and roll it in the powdered sugar. Then I'm going to put it on the baking sheet. I'm gonna put some more sprinkles at the top of some of them. Okay. Now I'm gonna bake it for 12 minutes. So the cookies are done. I let them cool for about 5 minutes. I'm gonna add a little bit more sugar on the top. So now get a pretty Christmas tray like this. And voila! Vegan Christmas gooey butter cookies. Okay, it's time for the taste test. I don't even have to test these because I know they're gonna be delicious. They smell delicious. Look at that. Oh yeah. Look at the texture of this cookie. It definitely lives up to the name. Gooey butter cookie. It's like melt in your mouth goodness. You can make this chocolate, strawberry, whatever cake box mix you make. But you have to try these. It's so Christmassy. I'm gonna eat this whole tray. I need some almond milk now. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you all have a wonderful holiday. Merry Christmas, happy winter solstice, happy holidays, whatever you call it. And I will see you next time. Oh, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.